This is Blue Collar Tourist at Marriott Penang. This lobby. Got a really cool bar here. Like the bar a lot. There's a little meeting room there. I don't know why I like this bar though, it's pretty cool. This is the pool. Got the Marriott Penang. Cool. It overlooks the water. Got construction next door, of course. And there's a restaurant right there too. Little kids pool right there, I guess. Okay, Blue Collar Tourist in Marriott, Penang, Malaysia. Checking out of this place, so anything that's out of place is because of me. The place was immaculate last night when I got here. You got a closet here. You know, the luggage caddy with the safe. Got the dry bar, or whatever you want to call it, countertop. I'm gold with Marriott, so this is what you get, I guess, if you're gold, which is cool. Usually you just get a couple water bottles, but in this part of the world, you get a few drinks, complimentary. You got the sliding doors on the restaurant. That door slides too. You got a big ass tub. The toilet with the bidet. Bathroom's pretty big actually. You got this pattern again. It's just all over Malaysia, or at least in the hotels. I like it. It's in everything. I don't know what exactly, I don't know what it's called. If anybody knows, let me know. You got a big shower here with the rain shower and the wand, little step, sit down. So, like I said, I'm gold with these guys. I paid $35K certificate for having a credit card with Marriott. If not, the cash price was $200. I just spent 8 nights over at IHG Crowne Plaza, and I'd rather be here even though I have less status than over there. I'll just kind of leave it at that. I mean, I have free lounge access and everything over in IHG Crowne Plaza, and it's not the best place. It's brand new, but it's just, it's not done well. I'll put it to you like that. Frozen calamari wings and like rings and just chicken tenders and stuff. I mean, the place kind of just sucks for food, to be honest with you. People are nice, of course, but anyway, so what I'm trying to say is, you know, sometimes less is more, and this is one of those cases. This is a king city view room, but I don't know if I got an upgrade or not. I can see the ocean, so I assume there's some sort of upgrade there. There was a little confusion when I checked in because I booked it with the reward, and it didn't take too long to straighten it out, but I don't know what the name of this room is. It's not on the app, but I think this is what you get if you got gold status. I would assume so. So right across the street there's a park. That right next door is Gurney Bay Hotel, which is part of Pan Pacific, which is a player in this area, you know, as far as hotel groups go. The Ascot is right there. I didn't know this area existed. I don't know anything about Malaysia, but very wealthy, very well-to-do area. There's a mansion. Actually, you can see the rooftop right there. That's a house. Little. It's a lot bigger when you look at it. That's just the back end of the house. There's mansions through here. So you can walk around in this neighborhood, and just see cool stuff, you know. I guess this is where the wealthy Malaysians come or live, not come, they live here. One of the Bolt guys, Grab drivers said a lot of these guys, you know, they leave, they make their money, they come back here. So this is the area they set up shop in. And I mean, you know, I would assume these people are like Malaysian millionaires. It's really nice. And then 10 minutes down the road, you got, you know, Georgetown, which is cool. It's nice. You know, I prefer that area for going out, you know, but this is really nice. If you got money and you can retire here, this is where I would pick, is right here. King size bed, comfortable. The AC is nice and cold. Penang Marriott, blue collar tourist, like and subscribe.